Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, where we cut through the crypto chaos to find those diamond hands opportunities. If you're new here, smash that like button and subscribe for daily market updates that actually make sense. Today, we're diving into the elephant in the room, that insane crypto crash last weekend. Bitcoin down 10% in hours, 20 billion wiped out across the market. It felt like the end of the world, right? But hold up. Is this just a massive shakeout, shaking out the weak hands, or the start of something worse? And more importantly, is now the time to buy the dip? Let's break it down in this hot market update. Stick around because by the end, you'll know exactly what to do with your portfolio. What happened? The flash crash breakdown. All right, let's rewind to October 10th, 2025. It was a Friday night for most of us, but for the crypto market, it turned into a horror show starting around 4 p.m. CST. Bitcoin, our king, plunged from around $68,000 to as low as $200 in under an hour. That's a 10% bloodbath. Ethereum followed suit, dropping 12%, and altcoins? Forget it. Solana down 15%. Even stablecoins like USDE flashed to 0.65 before snapping back. The total market cap evaporated by over $20 billion in minutes, with some estimates calling it a $500 billion wipeout when you factor in leveraged positions. Liquidations? Over 600 million in longs got wrecked, amplifying the panic sell-off. It was the biggest 24-hour wipeout in crypto history, 9 times worse than the February 2025 dip. Charts looked like a freefall. Social media exploded with FUD, fear, uncertainty, doubt, everywhere. Whales dumping, retail panic, it was chaos. But here's the kicker. By Monday, October 13th, the market clawed back. Why did it crash? Unpacking the triggers. Number 1 suspect. A surprise political bombshell. Rumors swirled about a Trump-related announcement on tariffs hitting crypto mining or something tied to U.S. policy. It spooked the markets hard. But dig deeper, and it gets shady. Some analysts are pointing to a coordinated hit, big players manipulating low liquidity hours to trigger cascades. Picture this. A massive $88 million Bitcoin short trade hits right before the drop, like someone knew it was coming. Add in over-leveraged traders, everyone was long on the rally, and one spark lights the fuse. It wasn't fundamentals crumbling. Bitcoin's still backed by ETF inflows, institutional adoptions at all-time highs. No, this was a classic liquidity crunch in a thin weekend market. Remember March 2020? Same vibe. Flash crash, quick recovery. And now, hedge funds are rushing to protect against round 2, buying up options like crazy. So, is this the big one, or just noise? Market update, signs of recovery and shakeout vibes. Fast forward to today, October 15th, markets stabilizing. Bitcoin's hovering at $6,500, up 3% from the lows. Ethereum's rebounding to $2,600, and altcoins are popping. Solana up 8% already. Volume spiking, but fear index? It's dropping from extreme reds to yellows. This screams shakeout to me. That brutal purge of over-leveraged weak hands, leaving room for the strong to accumulate. Look at the charts. BTC bounced off that 60K support like a rubber ball. Key Fibonacci level held. RSI's oversold and reversing. On-chain data? Whale accumulation's up 20% since the dip. They're buying, not selling. Broader macro? Fed's still dovish. Election hype's building. Crypto's tied to risk-on sentiment. If this is a shakeout, history says buy it. Post-2021 crashes? Massive pumps followed. Even this year's February dip led to a 30% rally in weeks. But let's be real. Risks are there. Analysts are warning of another leg down if we break 60K. Watch for ETF flows tomorrow. If BlackRock piles in, we're golden. Buy opportunity or trap? My take. So, is this a screaming buy? For diamond hands, absolutely yes. Scale in on BTC and ETH now. Target 70K BTC by month end if we hold supports. Alt season could ignite post-shakeout. I'm eyeing SOL and Link for 2x potential. But if you're new or risk-averse, Wait for confirmation. A close above 68K this week. Don't FOMO all in, diversify, use stops. Remember, crypto's volatile. That $20 wipeout? It created millionaires who bought the fear. This isn't 2022's bear winter. We're in a bull cycle, folks. The crash was a gift. Shakeout complete. Now the real run begins. That's your update. Crash shakeout equals buy-op? In my book, hell yes. What do you think, buying the dip or sitting it out? Drop your thoughts in the comments and tell me your top alt pick. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe for more fire content. Turn on notifications. Next vid drops tomorrow on election impacts. Stay bullish, trade smart, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.